Hello, dear tutor. Well, my name is Jesus Javier Caicedo, and this is my last semester in this course. And now I'm going to try to speak. Now I want to tell you about the topic and and talk about my experience about my process to learning English. Um, I just want to say that I'm very agreement with the topic about the talent and attitude in the learning process, because for many time I have been learning English about many years ago, but I can speak with fluently, but I try to do it. And I just want to say that first of all, in the beginning, when I start to learn English, and I try to learn this new language, and try to learn it day by day more words, verb, and adjective. And I try to read magazine, newspaper, listen to music. For example, reggae music help me to improve my ability or my skill about speak English language. So I agreement with the Mr. Kaufman, because he says something important. Now I have been learning another language, is African language. I had two friends came from Nigeria to my country, and they tried to teach me his mother tongue, so his language. He come from Nigeria. He for Igbo tribe, and I love Igbo language. So I have been learning a few words. For example, adezebu nwata akwa kuo bi ilembe uchikati ukubauloto, something like that. But I love this language, and I know that if you're a guy, if a girl, love the new language, he can understand, he can speak, and he can to improve his ability to speak this language. And cause if you someone want to speak this language, the language that he can to learn, that he want to learn, he can do it. It's only the motivation is important thing to speak another language. I agree with that topic, because it's true. In my case, I love English language. I love to speak Igbo language, and I had the ability to speak, because when I speak, someone speak English, I try to go there and speak with that guy, and I say, where do you come from? I'm from Buenaventura, but I try to live in here. I need to speak with you, or something like that. I need to, because I want to know about his culture, speak about about his city, about his country, his culture, and something important for me to try to understand his culture is very important, because we have different topic when people speak about his culture, and the another guy try to speak more, and I need to motivate that this guy to speak his language. That is the way that can understand, that can to improve my ability to speak in English. It's important for me to say that, because I'm an English teacher, but sometimes I'm a chief captain too, and in my job we need to use this language to speak with the vessel. For example, I need to radio operator. I need to do my work, and then as a radio operator, I try to speak with the vessel. For example, motor vessel. I arrange paddle ladder to meet about the water, something like that. And my job has contributed to scheme my ability to speak in English. It's only, I just want to say that I need to learn more and more, because sometimes I think that my English is not good, but I try to do it, you know. And 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 another day, I speak with Jamaican people. They have different accent. For example, he say word different accent, but I came to understand what the people say, you know. That is the reason that I agreement with that topic. Um, Maybe I can say it's difficult for all people to speak another language if you don't love the language that he want to learn. It's very difficult to do it like this, because we need to try to do it, but if the people love this another language, you know. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, see you next time. All right.